I'm going to reinstall the circuit board of the fridge. I'm looking at it and I'm kind of tempted to bulletproof it better a bit. You see, there's a resistor here, was here, completely went here or here on the other power. So I'm not sure which is what. Neutral, live, neutral, comp, live. But those and those are pretty close together. There's just a plastic clip pin going there, here, and you see this yellow one have a plastic thingy over it. So this one have completely burned. Beautiful capacitor. Anyway, so about this one here, I'm gonna put some heat shrink on the top. So I'm gonna kind of secure it a bit more. Maybe insulate it better. I don't know about that part here. Oh my god. Yeah. We put some white glue. So I see the metal legs going very, very deep down there. So that's the thing I want to protect too. Yeah, maybe like that. Yeah, that's good. I am everywhere. Okay. Okay, cut that out. Here. Stack. Yeah, maybe I could. No. I'm gonna leave more on the top. For sure, they cut halfway each. Okay, let's go find another one. Deep dive in. Okay, this one here. Beautiful. I like that. But gonna be more generous on the tips here. Like that. Beautiful. This one not fitting, huh? No. Which one I'm gonna put here? This one. Maybe I'm gonna put one for that too. Why not? Do I have big enough? Is it large enough? Maybe this one here. I'm gonna check with the connector. Yeah, maybe over the connector, this one. Could fit, could fit. Let's see. If you have one bit larger, I don't think so. Yeah, this one's a bit larger. Okay. So this is gonna be good. This one here. I'm gonna find one for the yellow. This one here for the yellow. That's good. And then tops, tips, tops, tops. That's the top. Again, I'm gonna try to be generous. Let's put it in like this. Chop the top. There we go. Beautiful. What a nice haircut. Okay. Like I said, I'm gonna try to put another one on the big triple connector here. Still looking. So I'll just say this one's better. This one's thick. Okay, oops. So I have this, I have that. From the fridge you can see the connector over here completely burned, so I'm gonna cut the wire here. It's a wire for the TV. Oh, plug. So it's perfect. It's just fitting there. It's like made for it. So maybe I'm gonna put another thing too over here. Yeah. Yes. Since I'm doing that, I'm gonna do it well. And the other thing, maybe I'm gonna try to make the pin inside a bit more like tight. Can I see something? Do I see something in here? Yeah, maybe I can put a needle or something. Let's see. Put a needle. Maybe I'm gonna pry out the pin. Pry out the pin. This one. Fully at the end, the top. Press. Oops. Do with this here. Fully on top. Okay. Push. Pull. Yep. Same here, the black fully on top. Push. Woo. Push. Pull. Oops. Push. Pull. Come on. No. It's not that easy for it. Oh, here we go. So if I see the hole here, it's pretty good. Can it be more tight? As you see, where's the? It's pretty tight. Yeah. Oof. So that was not the problem here. Where was the problem? Stick. Good and tight again. So heat shrink wrap. This is going. Come on. No. Put it here. Oops. Two. Beautiful. Cut it here too. Shooks. So then I'm gonna put some loose. Okay. And do some wire here. Oof. Don't cut that finger. Put this plier here too. Shooks. No. Yep. There we go. This one too. Wow. Beautiful. I'm not sure if you see something all the time. Okay, I got that there. Should I weld that here or over here? Okay, this is okay. I plug that in here, shack. So I'm gonna bring the box with the heat shrink over there. I'm gonna continue, I think, on the fridge over there, the other room.